Hey, it's Alexa. Come spend a few days in LA with me. Today was the Beverly Hills Car Show. It happens once a year. They shut down Rodeo Drive and fill it with all of these classic cars, exotic cars, tons of different brands, and it's such a fun time. The next day, we headed over to Venice Beach, and our first stop was Minotti's Coffee Shop. I love getting their Spanish latte. It's so good. We just picked up our coffees and took our time walking around the Venice boardwalk. This is a great place to come to people watch. When we were walking back to the car, we stumbled across this tiny little hole in the wall. There was a bunch of people sitting around with fish and chips, and they smelled so good. We stopped and grabbed some, and they were actually very good. So I would recommend if you're in the Venice area. We spent the evening walking around Rodeo Drive, which is one of my boyfriend and I's favorite things to do. They were giving out these Valentino milkshakes, which was a very fun surprise. There's always something going on in LA, whether it's a pop-up, a little freebie. My boyfriend also has a YouTube channel, and a lot of our subscribers are not from the LA area. So we like to film shorts videos showing what people are wearing on Rodeo, and I like to do it so girls can get outfit inspo because everyone is usually dressed so fabulous. If you haven't seen any of my shorts videos, go check those out. Thank you so much for spending a few days in LA with me. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.